how to pass your road test in New York. In this video, I'm gonna go over everything there for you to know as you're taking your road test in New York City here and pass, all right? So first thing thereof, when you go into the road test, make sure that you're not the one behind the steering wheel, someone else is driving you. In the event that you're doing a lesson or some practice before you go to the road test, however, you do not want to roll up to the road test behind the driver's seat. In this instance, can you see? No one behind the driver's seat. When you roll up to the road test, you must be on the passenger seat as I'm sitting here. Of course, you have to make sure you have all your document with you, as well as the document for the car. Okay, so you know what the documents are. Make sure you have all your document with you. Now, once you arrive at the road test, make sure you're there at least 30 minutes prior to your road test to be at the road test. However, if you're gonna be going from with the driving school, be at the place where you're going to be taking the road test with those people at 1 hour prior. Now, after verify all your document, all your car's document and your document as well, they're all in good order. Now you roll up to the road test site. Now, when you get to the road test site, you're gonna be waiting on the line, and the DMV examiner will come on to your car to check you in accordingly, right? Now, once the DMV examiner coming into the car, you from the passenger seat will come out the car. If you go with families and friends, make sure you have all your document as well as all the car document and hand it to the DMV examiner. However, if you go with a driving school, they will know what to do. At this point now, you'll be coming out of the car. You see, from the passenger seat, not the driver's seat. You'll be coming out of the car. All right, I'm going out of the car now. Now you will greet the examiner, right? You will greet the DMV examiner, and they're gonna run a few steps or whatever the case may be. Then they'll let you in now, right? Now, first steps from the outside, going into the car, do not walk in, do not give the traffic your back. You see, you have to be walking towards traffic. As you guys can see, the traffic is coming my way. What you don't want to do, what I've seen many students do while they're going in the car, they walk from outside behind the car to get into the driver's seat. You don't want to do that. You see, it's a no-no. You don't want to turn your back at traffic. You see, you want traffic to be facing you. As you started, you do not want to go that direction, right? Remember, we're going to go from in front of the car, make sure that you're facing traffic. Now, we're going to show you the outside view. When you get in the car, the thing for you to be on the lookout for, right? Now, okay, good. Now, you're going into your car, you got the key in your hands, coming into your car, and the examiner will come in. You come and have a seat. Now, you're sitting behind the driver's seat. Now, the examiner will be coming in the car with you, right? Now, as you're in the car, I'm going to go outside. There's a few things. I want you to already know where they are, so when you're doing your road test, there will not be an issue for you, right? As I'm outside here, depending on the car that you're going to be driving, you've already know where is the latch for the seat, for the seating, and also where are the pedal bar for you to move your seat if you have to, right? So as you're sitting in the car, you're gonna have to do some adjustment, right? You've already know from the interior view, you already know this is to fix your left and right mirror, and you already know the inside of mirror for you to fix. Now, I'm gonna do the inside setup, how you set up in the car while the DMV examiner in the car doing his or her paperwork, and you on your side, you're gonna be doing your setup as well, all right? So, we're already doing all the entry of thing there for you to do coming in, then we're gonna do the setup. All right, now, we've done already do all the walkthrough. We've already done, know where the setups are. Now, the DMV examiner is inside the car with you. So now you're gonna do the inside setup. Now, with the key, you're gonna turn your car onto on, okay? Then you're gonna adjust the mirror, as I showed you earlier, how to adjust the mirror. But before doing that, all right, we're gonna make sure we put on your seatbelt while you're turning your car on, all right? Put on the seatbelt. Okay, then you turn on the car. Then you're gonna adjust the left mirror, okay? If you have not yet known, I already show you where to check the left mirror to fix it. And you're gonna adjust the right mirror, okay? And with your hand, you're gonna adjust the inside mirror. But at this point, you will not be talking to the examiner, because the examiner, you have nothing to tell the examiner. The examiner is being prepared, setting up his of herself. Then as you finish setting up, now when you finish setting up, you're all ready to go. Okay, the examiner will tell you, sir, whenever you're ready, you can start your car. That's when you're gonna go ahead now and start your car. Okay, then you're gonna set up to go for your road test. The first thing they will tell you is to pull in to traffic, all right? Of which we're gonna do here. All right, so sorry, let me make sure I adjust this here right way. Good. Good. Okay, good. They're gonna want you to pull into traffic. We're gonna signal to the left, shift to drive, both hands on the steering wheel. You're gonna check mirror left, shoulder left, and pull into traffic. When it's clear, there's no traffic coming over the left shoulder, all right? Good, 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 all right. Now, as you driving straight across, pay attention to detail. They're gonna hit you with 3 left turn, 3 right turn, and 1 K turn and 1 parallel parking, all right? In this instance, they're asking to make a right turn here at this traffic light. You signal your attention, you check this side, check mirror right, shoulder right, then you go with your turn. Both hands on the steering wheel, nice and smooth, it ain't no rush, all right? Good, good. We'll test the car in front of you. We're gonna signal to the left, mirror left, shoulder left, go around the car. Okay, nice and smooth. See? Then you're gonna come back to your lane because you wanna be in the middle of this one-way street, all right? Good. We're making a left turn at the intersection coming up, all right? So we're gonna signal the left turn, gonna check mirror left, shoulder left, lean more towards the left to block this side off, make sure no cars can fit within that left, all right? Good. Then we're gonna come to a full stop here, making your first stop here. To the left, to the right for any pedestrians, no pedestrian. The second stop gonna be at the center of this crosswalk here, with your left shoulder lined up with the pole on the left, okay? Now we have a heavy blind spot on the left. I'm gonna keep inching to the left, directing the car more towards my left, okay? Now in my blind spot, I see there's a car that coming on my blind spot, okay? Then I'm not gonna go. You have to make sure that you approach this thing with no rush, okay? This car in front of me gone, but we're not going, we're doing a road test here. All right, inching, because after the second stop, you can make as many stops as necessary to clear any blind spot, all right? You see how all these cars going to my right? Let them clear. You're doing a road test, it's no rush. In real life, you would have been gunned by your business already, but since it's a road test, you have to make sure it's clear. Okay, now it's clear. I do a last verification to my right, then I'm checking the left. I'm gonna go make a left turn, fall into the right lane. You do not want to touch the yellow line as you're making that right turn, okay, that left turn, all right? Now, at the traffic light coming up, we're making a right turn, of which you're gonna do. They're gonna hit you with a right turn right away, making a right turn. Okay, I'm leaning, check my shoulder right, there's no car coming to a stop sign, I stop where I cannot see the first white line. We stop right over here, okay? Now, as I'm here, I'm verifying. You see the car coming on my left, right turn, mirror right, shoulder right, going for my turn, and fall to in the middle of my lane. All right, nice and smooth. Okay, we're doing a parallel parking with this car on the right. Now we're gonna set up for parallel parking. You signal your intention for parking, you check your mirror, you check your shoulder, then you're gonna line up to the car, okay? We're covering the brake coming slow. You wanna leave room for one person to walk in between your car as you're doing your road test, by right here, okay? At this point on, you can choose to put one hand behind the examiner, but you don't have to, all right? I'm gonna signal to my right, ready for my turn. Before going, I'm gonna check mirror left, shoulder left, I check mirror right, and I see on my left now, okay, the car was coming, now I stop, I check it again, mirror left, shoulder left, then I go here, mirror right, shoulder right, then I'm gonna go for my parking. I'm gonna turn my wheel one full turn to the right, the direction that I'm parking, okay? And this instance here, just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna put my hand behind the examiner, which is acceptable when your car going backward. You do last verification, you're looking backward. You don't have to turn the wheel anymore, you're looking backward, okay? You're looking backward until you get to your measurement. Okay, about right over here, I get where I need, and I'm gonna lock the wheel all the way to the left. All the way to the left. Okay, and I'm keeping going back, look behind me. You see both hands on my steering wheel. I'm keeping looking behind me, back and front. This is when I got a straight line up to what I need, back and front. Okay, back and front. All right, right over here, I put my car into drive, turn the wheel 1.5 to the right, half, and a full turn to the right. Then you roll up a little bit, put your car into park. Now we finish performing the parallel parking. Examiner will hit you with a K turn, from 3-point turn. From leaving the parking spot, you reverse. When you reverse and you put your hand behind the examiner, look behind you with your foot covering the brake, okay? I'm ready to look forward. Then I'm gonna stop, check my front. Can I see the tire? Yes, I'm gonna shift to drive, setting up for a K-turn, 3-point turn. On this spot, I signal my left, lock my wheel all the way over to the left. Verification, no cars are coming. I see a car coming ahead, I'm not gonna go. All right, there's a blind spot on my head, but it's okay. Now no car coming ahead again. Mirror left, shoulder left, keep checking back and forth. I'm gonna keep going until you sit on the yellow line as if you were sitting on a bench. Okay, by right here. Good, good, good. Reverse, turn the wheel all the way over to the right. Okay, as I'm going right, backward, I put my hand behind the examiner looking backward, the direction my car is going. Okay, now I stop to check the shoulder left because you cannot pass the yellow. Shift to drive, lock the car all the way over to the left. I'm not worried about the car on my left side. I stop, it is there, green signal. All right, keep it going. This is how you do your K-turn, 3-point turn. Now they're hitting you with the left turn at the intersection here. Signal to my left. I'm gonna pull to the middle. Okay, traffic ahead is clear. I'm making my left turn, mirror left, shoulder left, and go ahead in my left turn and fall right into my lane. Okay, now we're going straight ahead from here. I'm gonna go back the other direction that we're pulling off. At the corner here, we're making a right turn. Signal to my right. All right, mirror right, shoulder right, go through with my right turn. All right, and they're asking me to pull in, and that opens pass on the right. I'm gonna signal to my right again, mirror right, shoulder right, bring the car in. Okay, good, good, good. When we're done here, they tell us to stop right over here. All right, pulling up here, nice and smooth. Put the car into parking, forward flasher, turn the key off. Okay, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so. You can check out pierrepaul.driving.com and send this video to a friend that maybe benefit from that. Until then, keep practicing. This is Ben here with Pierre Paul Driving School. This is how you pass your road test in New York City with flying colors. This is Ben here. Take care now. Bye-bye.